morning on the banks of the Bitterroot River.
There's probably 50 or 60 species of birds in this one little patch.
But the goal for this trip is to catch 5 yellow warblers and a robin. That's done by setting up 3 large mist nets.
When they fly into it, they kind of get caught in the pocket. They get a little wrapped up, a little tangled in the net, and then they hang in a net pocket, and then we come and get them out.
A speaker is hooked to an iPod that puts out a territorial warbler call.
That's an old strategy. Lots of birders use that to bring in birds.
And success soon follows.
So you can see he's just hanging there.
A male yellow warbler is caught above the speaker.
We have both birds we wanted.
And a young robin is caught a few feet away.
They like to grab all the netting with their feet. Makes it really difficult to get them out. We might want to move the speaker to one of the other nets.
Minutes later,
Yep, got one.
more success.
I should go to Vegas. Say I'm gonna get yellow warblers, I get yellow warblers.
Add an unexpected catch of a netted catbird and a baby robin too small to keep. And what sometimes takes hours only takes 60 minutes.
When you get the work done and you get some good results out of it, it's really just fantastic.
It was very successful. 4 birds of the same species, the species I wanted. Can't really beat that. So you can see he's just hanging there.
60 minutes on the banks of the Bitterroot River and it's mission accomplished. 4 yellow warblers, the targeted species of the day, are captured and ready to go to the lab.
I run them through a series of tests that's similar to taking a car to a test track. So I'm essentially measuring their horsepower, their 0 to 60, their turning radius.
Do you mark both wings?
To monitor that movement, each bird is marked with 16 small pieces of reflective tape.
We use it to mark specific points on the bird's wing so that when we film them with high-speed film, those points show up a lot better.
The lights go on, and with 4 digital cameras recording, it's showtime.
At the pull of a string, that pyramid flops open, scares the bird so that he takes off vertically.
The video information from the 3 vertical flights per bird is then saved on computer. Now the focus shifts from the vertical tower of power, as it's called, to the horizontal tower or racetrack.
They fly vertically and they fly horizontally. I'm looking for the same thing in both. I'm looking for their maximum performance.
So the cameras are reset.
Right there.
And the birds, one at a time, are released through a long tube onto the force plate for their flight down the racetrack to freedom.
Human error is null, and the birds, for the most part, performed well.
And after 8 hours of capturing and then videotaping birds, the day is done. But the real work is yet to come.
The really amazing thing is, it takes half of a second to get that film of the bird actually flying, but then 2 days to analyze that film.
That's life in a nutshell for researchers looking to make a difference.
That's, I think, probably one of the biggest draws about research. You really are doing something no one's ever done before, no one's ever seen before, and when you get it right, it's just great.
It feels like a real intellectual accomplishment at the end to essentially prove yourself right.